Okay, now move on to fertilization. Um, at first, you should know how to define fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is the fusion of haploid nuclei of male and female gametes which are formed by meiosis. Fusion of haploid nuclei of male and female gametes formed by meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division to form diploid zygote, and this process it happens in the oviduct. To form diploid zygote is called fertilization. Now how the sperm is able to reach the oviduct? Okay. At the time of copulation, millions of sperms they get ejaculated in the vagina, they get deposited on the vagina. Now these sperms, they swim towards the respective oviduct where the egg is present. We know that the egg is released from the ovary on the 14th day from the onset of menstruation. We will do it in the menstrual cycle. Okay. So the egg is present in the oviduct. This egg will send signals to the sperm to swim towards this oviduct. Okay. So out of the millions of the sperms, only few hundred will be able to reach the oviduct. Only few hundred sperms will be able to reach the oviduct. And then this surrounds the egg. Okay. Now, so the sperms will surround the egg, and we know that we have studied it in the structure of the sperm that the head of the sperm it contains acrosome, and the acrosome will release enzyme to digest the outer coat of the egg, the jelly coat of the egg. This is the jelly coat of the egg. This jelly coat of the egg is digested by the enzyme which is secreted by acrosome, which is present on the head region of the sperm. Fine. So the sperm will secrete, the acrosome will secrete enzyme to digest the jelly coat of the egg, and only one of the sperm will be able to penetrate inside the egg. And when one of the sperm will penetrate inside the egg, the jelly coat will change its outer covering and become impermeable to the rest of the sperm. Fine. So the rest of the sperm will die, because we know that what is the lifespan of the sperm. The lifespan of the sperm is only 2 to 3 days. So after 2 to 3 days, the sperms will die. Of course, it will take time for them to reach the oviduct, so it will also take time, and then eventually when it surrounds the egg, and it will release, the acrosome will release enzyme to digest the outer coat or jelly coat of the egg, and only one of the sperm will be able to penetrate inside the egg, and once it penetrates inside the egg, then the jelly coat will change, will get hardened and become impermeable to the rest of the sperm, and then the rest of the sperms will eventually die. Okay. Now inside the sperm, what happened? The haploid nuclei which of male and female gamete which are formed by meiosis will fuse together and form diploid zygote, and this process it happens in the oviduct. Clear?